My name is Ronald Smaldone. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry at UT Dallas. We have a funded workshop from UT Dallas, the Office of Research, to bring in potential collaborators to develop our strengths at UT Dallas. Collaborators on this particular project are Dr. Mihaela Stefan from the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry, and also Professor Jeremiah Gassensmith, also from the Department of Chemistry. And what we're trying to do is develop new 3D printable materials for drug delivery. And so one thing we want to do is not just combine our expertise here at UT Dallas, but also bring in experts from around the country and also from industry to UT Dallas to meet up, share our ideas, and develop collaborations as well as potential research proposals to support students and their research here at UTD.